Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to post a GIF to Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. I have a GIF in my gallery and I'll just post it to Instagram. When it is posted, you can see that it is reacting like a picture. Now open the Play Store and download the GIF to Video app. This app is completely free. Download the app and open it right now. And in the local file, you'll see all of your GIFs. Now select the GIF and tap Convert. And the GIF will convert to a video. And it will automatically be saved on your gallery. Now go back to Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select the GIF. And now you can see it's reacting properly. Now if you post it, and it will post as a GIF. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.